How to turn off business account on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on manage account. And then from the last section, the account control section, click on switch to personal account. And a confirmation box will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to change your business account to a personal account? And it tells you what will happen when you do that. So click on switch anyway. And as you can see, the business account has been disabled and your TikTok account was switched to a personal account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the business account on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.